this?
The answer is not sub judice.
You be correct guy. So am I supposed to go and join the area boy?
Call the police. Go to police station, carry your car, find police, shout up and police.
For waiting no concern me.
Yeah.
Area boy. I failed. I've been failing.
You have been failing, but this time the confidence was higher than the failure. Never do this inconsasso as the
if you touch me.
Oh, sorry.
You know what? You guys keep your money, keep your show. I'm done. I don't like where people, reduce my.
Hi guys, I am Timi Agbaje. Welcome to your favorite game show. What does the Lord say? I have legends in the building today. These are the faces of comedy for the past 1.5 decades. They have been doing it for so long. Lasisi versus Dr. Craze.
Since my senior, share you don't want me. What does the Lord say? Baba, I know book. Forget say I enter street, begin they do fraudulent things. Forget say I enter street, begin they do things when no glorify God. I sabi book, I go chop your papa eyes today. Pastor.
All right, guys, I don't want to get too dramatic because I like serious business. As you all know, I'm a father. I have a child, and we need money to raise these kids. I don't care what the law says, but I care about what the law says I can do with this money. So since I know what the law says, I am here to win the money. Please, for the love of God and the love of humanity, understand where I'm coming from. I'm nothing but a pencil in the hands of the beholder. Thank you very much.
Number one, who owns the copyright to the images of a cinematographer or photographer in full-time employment? A. Copyright still belongs to the photographer or cinematographer. B. The person in the image or video. C. Whoever trained the photographer. D. The employer.
See how David work this to know the rights.
What's it they worry you? I don't understand. You are covering your book for who? See this guy.
Don't worry.
Who is it? You are covering your book for me.
Baba, answer your question. Don't worry. They say who owned the copyright?
Show your answers.
I wrote mine too small.
D. A. Dr. Craze.
Yes.
What is A and why?
A is that it belongs to the photographer or the cinematographer.
Why?
Because they are the ones that have the creative rights, being that they are the creator of that particular content. They created it.
D. Why?
D.
What is D and why?
Thank you for that question. I will explain further.
Okay, explain. Talk quick.
It says at the end of the question, there was a chip in there. It says full-time employment.
Yes, they put that to deceive people like you.
It's you that they will deceive.
My brother, they have deceived you because
They deceived you already. So I believe that is the employer that if I hire somebody and you have signed on me, that property belongs to me, whether you snap it or not. You snap it with my camera, I brought it to my company, it belongs to me. So yes, the employer.
Okay. Mona, they listen, these are the kind of employers we have in Nigeria now that want to steal from your creative.
Never see Tiffy. Now you go. See this guy.
The answer is not C. Whoever trained the photographer or cinematographer. The answer is not B. The person in the image or video. Who owns the copyright to the images of the photographer or cinematographer in full-time employment? The answer. What did you pick, boss? A. That's photographer.
Okay, I'm already meditating. Can you not let me talk?
Answer is D. The employer.
Share you the one me, man. Share your papa. Man, no catch your papa. Man, no catch you for mainland.
No. So I know why.
You don't talk like this. No.
Because I'm pissed.
You will not be pissed. You will be shit.
Because you know I'm a right. Because for slapper, this boy don't go conference before.
You think it's a
the
joke?
photographer and the videographer have the right to their intellectual
You
property.
think it's a joke? Listen to question.
Employment state to just throw me off.
When would they write IELT? Where were you?
It's okay. I knew that was the answer, but I just said let me go with what Timi has taught us at the African Creators Summit.
Employment. You are working for a company.
And I put exception even in my video that if the employer is a photographer, in fact, I can bring out the video right now that if they employ you full time as a photographer, the pictures do not belong to you.
Yes.
All right. Number 2. In criminal matters, there must be a marriage of actus reus and mens rea? Who is mens rea? A. Any woman who is party or an accomplice to the crime. B. Intention or motive. C. Murder weapon. D. The person who committed the crime.
Now further maths. Are you solving maths?
Continue.
Are you solving maths?
Show your answers. A. What is A and why?
So I think A is the person that accompanied the crime.
A woman who is a party or accomplice to the crime.
Yes. So this woman, is he female or be human?
It says woman.
A woman or
That's lady.
yes, a woman who is a party or accomplice to the crime.
Okay. So you say there is communication between bacteria and mens rea.
Actus reus
Okay.
and mens rea.
Actus reus. Okay. So mens rea, they put that mens there to deceive us. You now say woman, and man and woman, they can't do without each other. So if there is a man criminal, there is a woman criminal. You know, because of law, it's now mens rea.
Yeah. Actus reus. And you're a doctor, right?
Yeah. I don't have anything to do with the law.
Very intelligent.
Okay.
A and Y.
Speak English.
Okay, the only reason I went with A is because
Call A. What is in A?
What is in A?
an accomplice now. And what is your issues now?
I just want to know if you know what you're
Who be
doing.
this guy? I go stone you remote
Mama,
for
forget
no.
atomic bomb where the answer. This is the one. I'm not dealing with charge and bail.
Anywho, I'm talking to someone of intellect. Anywho, honestly, I'm not sure about it, but I just went. You know, it sounded more like an answer. Hence my.
Standing by! What does the law say? Not what your doctor thinks. Not what atomic bomb is about to throw. Actus reus and mens rea. The person who committed the crime is not the answer.
If you still collect from my hand.
I tell you, say they my left.
Murder weapon. Option C is very viable, but it's not the answer. The answer is intention or motive. Actus reus means the act.
I wanted to fail with you. I don't say that A because I see when you do like this. I don't carry this.
Mens rea means the intention of the person that carried out the action.
And the actus rea is the person that carried the action.
No, sir. The action
This
itself.
one.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You say action, you say.
No, I studied law outside the country. So laws are different according to location.
Question 3. Are you ready?
Baba, there with you.
I'm ready.
I go live for you.
Paraboy signed a contract to join High Blood Pressure Records,
There's already a problem.
an entertainment business in brackets. After 1 year, Paraboy goes on live video session to rant that he is broke, tired, and wants to leave the record label. Fans stepped in. The record label gave him a new contract in place of the old one. What the record label had just done is called A. Arbitration, B. Substitution, C. Reallotment of royalties, D. Novation.
D is what?
Novation.
Innovation.
Novation.
Innovation.
My marker is not writing, no.
See?
My marker.
I already know that.
Marker.
You are against my progress. Some the most easiest question.
Show your answers.
Maka will now.
Okay, show your answer. I want to lie on top marker head.
Why you write K? K did the option.
A is arbitration.
Do you know what is arbitration?
Do you know that the word arbitration, I had recently come in contact with it, and all of a sudden I forgot what it meant. But then again, I was worried. I said, see, reallotment of royalty. They didn't see.
No, let me explain. Arbitration. You came across arbitration came across me, and I knew it was not arbitration. The allotments of royalties. It didn't sound like that would be all that would be in the, but that's something that is close to what they have done.
But they didn't say it in the question.
And
that
then substitution, no be football, be this. No, they substitute contract like that. One contract tire, you can't come.
I think you're right.
Yeah, so it's either C,
I think he's right.
reallotment
Pay
of
me,
royalty,
but my mind was just saying. Anyway,
or innovation.
All right, like the legendary Chris Clan has said.
But if I dey fail, no add legend. It's very insulting. If you know I'm going to fail it, it's when you.
No, but I think you got it.
You think you can use it.
Like the legendary Chris Clan. Oh, sorry. Like the legendary Chris Clan has said, substitution is not the answer.
It's not football.
It's not football. It could be substitution, but not in this context. Just like the legendary Chris Clan has also said, arbitration is not the answer. Arbitration is an alternative dispute resolution method. Let's not go into that. The answer is between legend and what?
Innovation.
Innovation.
Yes.
Oh, maybe that's where if I fail and because I thought it was innovation.
Shut up your mouth. You asked and he told you it was not. Thief, only, I'm robber.
You're just sad.
God.
The answer, reallotment of royalties. The answer is innovation.
Jesus! Jesus, you love me too much, oh!
Both losing.
Too much, oh! Excess love, oh! Hey! I'm a tither! This is what it is to be a tither. Woe unto you!
It's okay.
You won't get it.
It's okay.
Innovation, I want to go for her.
Actually, Nadia won't ride.
Legends and legends.
Please, just go.
Legends never die.
We
Baba,
die.
question. I mean,
We
why even
die.
teach
You
this
are
question,
killing
Baba,
me
it's too
here
small.
now.
Question 4.
First of all, I need to say something. I'm not happy. Like I've not won anything. We're already in number 4. So please, just work on your questions. Continue.
Legends never die.
We die. You are killing me literally here
They
now.
bury them.
Yeah, they go.
Omogbo was at a car dealer shop
Okay.
where he met Caramel, who was about to buy a Lambo. Omogbo told her not to bother paying and promised to pay. He did not pay. Somebody else bought and left with the car. Now Omogbo wants to change his mouth. What legal principle disallows this? A. Sub judice. B. Injunction. C. Nemo judex incossasua. D. Estoppel.
No go better for Bobo.
No go better. That long one, Nemo Judas. Me mean finding Nemo.
Incossasua.
Nemo.
So help me God. Thank God. You don't write anything.
Show your answers.
I don't know. That Nemo Judex.
It sounds so sweet.
If you know, I don't get them. I'm just happy I chose that. I don't know.
Nemo Judas in the dress one.
In the Dofa.
Nemo judex incossasua.
That means Nemo being they date Judith. I be asked Judith. Then inconsensual.
In consensual sex.
Yes, they now had inconsent. So it's like a mating process.
That's
But
why
continue.
you picked it.
I just picked it because I love reproduction. I go with what the Lord
You're happy
said.
they had
Go here into
consensual
the
sex. You
world.
are a bad person.
It's consensual. In consensual sex. That's what it says. In Nemo Judex, in consensual
It's okay.
sex.
Spending,
Sir,
jacuzzi,
I deal with you.
atomic bomb,
No louder.
Lasisi,
On code.
and so many more characters in one person.
Normal doings.
You picked sub judice.
Sub judice.
Why sub judice?
The word sub judice sounds like a legal terminology that suggests that when there is an agreement, pull body, no come on for there. Go turn here. On code.
You can ask me my own.
Papa Ade,
Yes.
as a father figure for Ade, if Ade makes a mistake in public, you will correct him.
Yes.
So far, so good on this show. Do you think you're a good role model to your child, Ade?
First
No.
of all, as a disciplinarian, we don't work with the law. Because if you work with the law, you're going to spare the rod. And when you spare the rod, you do what? You spoil the child.
The answer is not injunction, because injunction is given by court towards a specific action or purpose.
Preach on, pastor.
Estoppel.
Sub judice, nemo judice incossasua. For the first time,
I failed. I've been failing.
you have been failing, but this time the confidence was higher than the failure. Nemo Judes Incosasua is a
If
principle
you
of
touch me.
oh sorry.
If you touch me,
Is a principle of natural justice and equity. The answer is not Nemo Judes Incosasua. The answer
Subhanallah.
is not sub judice.
Ay, Sakaba.
you be correct guy. Damn it! I've never been happy for someone's downfall before. My God, brother,
Brother,
failure. But I've been failing 4 times. I didn't get so personal.
The answer.
But whatever the answer is, we both failed.
The
It's
answer is
Estoppel.
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 Promissory Estoppel.
What does that mean?
It
I
means
promised you
Estoppel.
something. You relied on my promise. Then you suffered loss. I cannot now come back and say, no, I don't want to do that promise again. I'm stopped
Stopped.
from changing my promise. Promissory.
So are you
Estoppel.
saying now she can actually take him to court? Are you
An
serious?
action? Yes.
Wow.
Question 5. Cynthia took a loan from a loan company through an app. She was unable to pay back the loan as agreed. The loan company went ahead to send a broadcast message to her contact, tagging her a kidnapper and a ritualist. What the company has done at first instance is A. Defamation, B. Cyberbullying, C. Data breach, D. Conduct likely to breach public peace.
I get that. I got it. Please knock the shovel. Knock it. You dey think this one? Knock the shovel. Something I answered before you gave me option.
Show your answers.
God.
Now cover my answer.
God.
And that D you go get for this one.
A. Defamation.
Yes. Let me
D.
tell you.
Conduct likely to breach public peace.
Let me
Why
tell you
defamation?
why. So you say on first instance, it could have been cyberbullying if they just went to the public, posted it on Instagram to the general public. But then that said they were specific to send it to her contact. That means they were defaming her from point A to point. Ah God, my answer they told me. I don't know how I feel.
Now,
Let's go. If I
feel-
fail this, I'll just pack all this money and give you. My word is my word.
I actually
Your
feel,
word is your word.
Am
I
I talking to
actually
you?
feel bad now because I picked my answer shirt.
Damn it.
What was your answer?
I picked breach or
To public
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 misconduct.
peace.
But I actually felt like it's data breach. It can't be defamed.
Why is it data breach?
Data because it's between myself and the organization. Now they've taken my information.
Which information? Did you tell them you're a kidnapper and they'll give you money?
No, my
You
Don't
say
worry,
information.
that's fine.
Conduct likely to breach public peace.
Pay me.
Very dumb answer.
Shit,
Even you
man.
say you are disappointed that the law can say that.
Aye.
The answer is not cyberbullying,
Never.
apparently.
Never.
The answer is data breach, data breach. At first instance, that means they took
swear.
our contact information
And-
before they could do anything at all.
Aye.
At
But they did
first-
not take it. She has submitted.
No, it's between her and the company.
Even if she submitted
Like-
her data, she did not submit it for them to use
it
as an
As
avenue to say she's a kidnapper and ritualist.
her contact.
Question 6. A popular socialite known as Spending was arrested for lavishly spraying the Naira at a baby naming ceremony. What law is it possibly violating? A. EFCC Act, B. CBN Act, C. NDLEA Act, D. Money Laundering and Distribution Act.
So hard. Hard. No. I don't answer, Sha. Should we show our answer? I will change my answer because I don't
I
like.
change them.
I don't like say your answer.
Say time don't go.
Oh.
Show your answers.
Just go straight to the answer. See, let me tell you, in Nigeria, yeah, na EFCs they can't catch people with the spray money because CBN no get any military force. They will have to report to a financial crime unit So I think it's CBN Act that is being, now then they produce the Naira. So now then put Act.
Why you
law
explaining
that
yourself?
guide them. I want to let them know. Say if I fail
Why
this
you
one,
explaining
don't know
yourself?
I'm not the problem. The law is.
Please tell us the answer.
Is that your answer? Final answer?
Yes, my father. Are we allowed to change answer?
So, because you guys are legends, I don't even mind breaking protocol once for you guys. I want to allow you to change the answer if you want to change the answer.
Nah,
now.
nah, move back.
I will
This
change
is what
that.
you just talk now.
I will change that. Okay.
Show your
But your
answer.
answer long like that.
B, main answer. All right. The answer is not Money Laundering and Distribution Act. The answer is not the NDLA Act, apparently. And the answer is CBN Act. Thank you very much for the first time.
You see, I'm used to losing. It's reflex.
Failure.
It's reflex.
Failure is that
the
you.
failure not be used to me. Allah, this cannot happen to me.
All right.
I have it. Let's go to the next question.
Question 7. A mobile jollof rice app startup founder includes a non-compete clause in an employee's contract. Which law governs whether the clause is enforceable? A. The Labour Act. B. Code of Conduct Tribunal rules. C. Case law. D. Employee Compensation Act.
Oh God, I can't remember the options again.
A is
Labour Act. B.
Labour Act. B is I don't know.
Listen, I don't remember.
I just
Oh God,
Show your answers.
couldn't remember shit. I'm winding away.
Your answer is Employee Compensation Act, and your answer is Code of Conduct Tribunal rules.
Yes, sounds like more like it.
Do you agree
But
with
it's that
him?
tribunal that is there, I don't know whether na House of
them,
Tribunal or na food. There is
Sounds promising.
yeah, code of
I think
conduct.
I even believe in his answer more than mine.
God, they say
Employee Compensation Act.
once you start
Employee
billing,
Compensation Act. I don't know. I think that area of the whole law, I'm not familiar with it because I don't know which of the bodies would be in charge of making that law.
No, first of all, it has to do with code of conduct because that is a rule placed by the employee, right? By the employer. So, but that tribunal is the problem. It can't be the first option. It can't be the third. It can't be the fourth. They are not
Which one you say can be default? I don't know.
The answer is not the Labour Act, because the Labour Act is a set of set principles about relations between employers and employees.
Yes.
But the question says which law governs whether that clause is enforceable. That means it will be put to test. The answer is case law. C.
I know because WOS does this case file. So I just case law. Like what the hell is case law? How do you people come up with this your terms in law?
Question 8. Your mechanic crashes your car into a popular restaurant during a test drive.
You don't die for my hand.
Who bears the legal responsibility? A. You, owner of the car. B. Mechanic. C. Insurance company. D. The restaurant.
This question, work for Nigeria setting.
You say B is what?
The question no work for Nigeria setting.
B is the mechanic, right?
Show your answers.
These are the issues, but on a normal day,
Now insurance are supposed to.
you understand, but this country we're living in.
But my own is they did not add
the
that
car
the
even
car
have
was
an insurance.
Yeah, it was not.
These are the issues.
The answer is B. Mechanic. Legends align.
I can't dey fear say.
Question 9. All but one is a crime in Nigeria. A. Using a VPN. B. Advertising a reward if your stolen phone is returned to you in good peace. C. Minding your business as area boys beat up another area boy in your area. D. Collecting transport fare and not showing up.
God, I beg you.
I dey ask this guy he just dey ignore me. Now exam holiday mad.
You never.
Which kind of law be this? So very.
Show your answers. Show your answer to your camera.
I'm showing to my camera. You don't see him.
All right. First, what is your understanding of the question? Then, what is your answer and why?
So, okay, him first.
Answer.
All but one is trying to say all of them are a crime except one.
Intelligent.
Using a VPN. What's the other one? That second one, you know, Gray answer me. But the third one is somebody is getting beat up and you mind your business. You can only be a witness. You did not commit any crime. So I just went with C. I don't know what D was.
Well, from what I understood, every other thing is a crime. Abi, what am I saying?
All but one.
All but one. Anyway, D, I think I've read somewhere that collecting money from somebody and not showing up under false pretense is a criminal offense.
Yes, now that they say all but one except.
No. Which is a crime? That is the crime now. Did you say all but one?
That's they say all but one is a crime.
And that is the crime now. I don't understand. You confuse your papa.
Okay. Advise yourself.
All but one is a crime. That means all are crimes.
Except
but
one is not a crime.
The answer is using VPN.
I stand, they look people. I don't do bad.
Standing to look at people while they are committing a crime is a crime because it is called neglect to prevent felony. Neglect to prevent felony.
So, am I supposed to go and join the area?
You call the police! Go to police station, carry your car, find police, shout up and police.
For waiting no concern me.
Yeah.
Area boy. I dare you to do that in this thing.
Fine.
That area boy where they beat, go join the other area boys. Now you they go come be the new area boy where they beat.
Buying and selling of black market fuel is punishable with A, 10 years imprisonment, B, death by hanging,
Now I'm robber.
C, life imprisonment, D, 5 years and warning to desist from such.
Wait till you did.
I don't want more to choose the same answer.
You don't want me to choose the same answer?
Yeah, you choose D, I be A.
I choose A.
Let me change it to D.
I choose D.
Baba, stay one place.
Show your answers.
I don't lose.
D.
No. I change it to A.
For where be that? Who told you?
Okay, as a legend, I want to give you a chance. Pick an answer.
Okay.
You dey embarrass yourself. Your pikin dey look you dey
10 years imprisonment is a long. 5 years and 1.
We have no time, sir.
Okay.
You are picking A.
Yes.
As a legend, I broke the rule for him because he's a legend. So he picked A and he picked D. The answer is not death by hanging. That would be too harsh, I believe.
Answer is D sharp.
The answer is not D, 5 years and warning to desist from such.
So God, they uplift person. Oh God, I am a father who will never ever fail me. Go on the law.
It's always good to take your chances.
I'm beginning to love this game.
The answer is also not. The answer is not C, life imprisonment. The answer is A, 10 years imprisonment.
Damn it. You know what? You guys keep your money, keep your show. I'm done. I don't like where people, reduce my. You know what? Beg me. Talk to me now, bro. I clap for you when
but
you
don't say that you caused this thing. Why did you give an extra? Why did you say to change the answer?
That was what I wanted to choose.
You wanted to.
And
Why
I
you
saw you choose D. What's the point of?
It's a legend. You need to allow. I gave you the chance to use it.
Why? I didn't need that chance.
Anyways, because
I know say you want to choose death by hanging. It sounds.
I know he's a legend, and that's why we honored him to allow him to.
All right, so it's a tie.
I would like to say something because they're legends. I want to say thank you to them first for coming on the show. But the answer is actually life imprisonment. C. So legend lost another money round again.
No, let me tell you what the law says. You cannot say an answer is right with all your full consciousness
wait.
and now change it.
You say?
I go bite you.
What did
I
you
know
say?
this. I will
Wait,
bite you.
talk to me.
No, you cannot. Law does not work like that.
It works like that.
While you're practicing law, you should show.
Wait. What is the answer?
The answer is C, life imprisonment.
Jehovah, boyama, 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 Jehovah, Boyoma.
Wait, you're happy that your friend is
Guy, give me
losing.
my phones now.
By the rules of this show,
Oh God.
winner takes all.
Oh God.
The man that wins or the woman that wins on this show
Who am I?
goes home with his winnings.
Who am I?
And he will go and penetrate.
Oh.
He will excavate
Ose.
and exonerate,
Balo.
extricate
Yellow.
the money and the war spoils of war of the loser.
Oh, go.
As a matter of fact, he will leave his stand and podium. He will enter another
I want to
territory.
ask something. Does the law allow us to fight on your set?
For what?
Anybody that attempts to fight because they lost is liable to be arrested by Nigerian police.
Yes.
All right. I don't know. Let me say something to the camera, to the viewers. This game has made me, I don't know. I'm not friendly with the law anymore because, like, why would you give somebody life in jail for buying and selling? We all do that.
That's why they want you to
All the
see.
whole country will just go to jail.
I don't all do that. I've never done it before. You're not black market to resell.
Confess to a
God
crime.
forbid,
Stop.
I've never.
You
and
just
I've never-
confess.
Do not
There's
confess.
nothing.
Jail him.
The
Jail him.
market I go to is white. The paint are literally white. So nothing will take me to a black
Legend.
man. Take this thing.
No, it's not for you to do. You don't touch the
You
money.
don't touch his money.
Don't touch the money, sir.
Don't break the rule of the game. I understand. Are we getting
Lasisi-
married?
No, it's
As in,
never
you want
be.
to join us? I
Lasisi
do. Whatever
and
you say,
Craze
I
Clan.
do.
Lasisi is the winner.
Jehovah, Boyama, Boyama, Boyama.
Please feel free to take your winning.
Oh.
Come to me.
Okay.
Come to me.
I feel bite you for
Hey, come to me.
So for transparency, hand it over, sir.
Okay.
For transparency, 1, 2,
Thank you.
3.
Thank you.
Craze,
Thank you.
clown,
Thank you.
making 5. 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira. Money
My family
now.
is watching this, and I just want to let you guys know, based on the fact that I haven't lived in Nigeria for 16 years of my life.
No.
Laws are different in different locations.
Okay.
So pardon me, Europe boys, abroad boys like us, we just got back and things are new to us. With what I've said,
End
I
this
hope
show and
you-
let this guy go and eat.
Ladies and
some-
gentlemen,
Please.
winners will always win, losers will run.
Baba, congrats. Based on
The show is still the same. What does the law say?
What does the law say?
Share, subscribe. Until you come away again, special shout out to this legend.
Number one
Craze
show
Clown
in the whole of the
and
country right
Craze
now.
Clown and Lasisi. Amazing people all the way. Thanks for the support and for being on the show. We are saying a big thank you to you. He did not lose today.
I did not lose.
Okay, he lost actually.
Baba,
I
you
just stepped
Forget
down
that
my
motivation, you
intelligence.
lost. You not just lose, you failed woefully.
But Baba, think life imprisonment.
Baba,
to
so you
buy
go buy
fuel.
fuel.
Miscellaneous offenses. Yes.
Yo,
My
Lord
God, I hope you guys learned something from this episode. Big up to
Thank
you,
you.
Timi.
God
I had
bless you.
fun. Peace out.
Till we come your way again.
How?
What does the law say?